have to work till 9 o'clock every night.
Howdy, Bubba.
You know who I am. I'm from Alabama. I'm Jim Bandy from Alabama.
Jim Bandy.
I drove all the way to bring you something. I want you looking at my. I want you looking.
Hey, it ain't gonna bite me, is it?
It might. It might.
Hold on. Let me get my camera.
I'll go as far as getting over there. Looking at box. Looking at box.
Might be a snake.
Well, you're stepping back.
I know it. I don't know about your reaction. I want to see your reaction.
Are you kidding me?
John.
Are you kidding?
Look what Brother John got over there. First of all, hydraulics first. I cut all the hydraulics.
Are you kidding me?
There's hydraulics on. This is not for young. This stuff is tender. This is for you, your desk. This is for,
Yeah.
This is. These are the last two I made. Now, when my first wife was still alive, I had the inspiration to do it. These are the last. Jimmy Bandy. You said my name. You said Brandy last night, but it's a common mistake. I'm from Lafayette, Alabama.
Ain't nobody can pronounce our last name.
Yeah.
ATN. That's French.
Well, we pronounce it Asian.
Asian.
Yeah.
I thought it was ATN. It looked
Well,
like
It is supposed to be
It's
18.
supposed to be.
It's supposed to be 18.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna go.
What's a date?
That's amazing.
What's a date? Date it?
Yeah, dated.
Date it. Yeah. Date it.
I'm gonna wind up painting this thing. I'm gonna put Lafayette on there. You're probably looking, the 4 I do at a time, it might take me a solid week fooling with it. If I get after it. I forgot to do something. The din is not a common logging piece of equipment, but I built excavators, a lot of excavators, and I wanted a axe on the front of one. I took a picture, I cut the axe. I'll get you your email. I'll send you a picture of it. But it is the din. I did do the hydraulics. These come from a pattern. My din, the excavator come from a pattern, but the axe is my creation. It's got the arms. It's got a wood saw blade on the bottom. So I'll send you a picture of that.
Where's the line at? Supposed to go to the blue one. I just couldn't keep it up.
We all come at him at one time and get confused.
Yep.
All right, yeah. So what you do is you don't look at the red at all. Don't look at the red. Just throw high. Just throw high. Yeah, just throw high though. Throw high. See, you hit it. You hit the red. You hit the red. Wrong end though. Wrong end.
Throw it
Wrong
over me.
end.
Huh?
You have to turn the axe around a little bit.
You got to do it harder than you think you do. I kept thinking I was going to throw it over the fence and it didn't even reach the target.
Look at it! It's stuck in the handle.
That's not fair. He's good at
Like
everything.
you're doing good, you just
I don't
need
know.
to use the other end.
Oh. He's sticking the handle? I'm almost out of breath.
How does it feel to be the first person today to stick the handle in the wood?
Well, you know, it's tough.
I mean, that takes a lot of
This
special.
one have the proper rotation, but
That's it.
here we go.
Yeah, we'll have you.
This one's for all the chipsters.
Oh,
Take it off. You got it.
oh, he hit the center.
All right, we ready? This is serious right here.
Oh, it's
The dawn blocker.
all about competition. He stuck the handle. The only one ever they said to stick a handle in the wood.
Indian didn't have to do nothing but catch it. Pressure of right looking right
That's okay.
No big deal.
Ain't nobody watching. Good about a bobcat.
Same bobcat right here.
Oh,
That's what he bought that G.
Throw it harder.
Throw it harder?
Yeah. That was better. That was better. Just like that. Do it again.
That's a pause. Hey, Mike, that's what you bought the boat. Just go wrong.
John, try to split that.
Apparently, if you throw it harder, you also need to throw it lower. Yeah.
I'm done.
How did you get this in the stick? How did you get this in the stick?
when he flung. God.
That's all at once.
Here you go, boys.
Wait, hold on, you don't get 3 axes. What the heck? How many did you get? Come on, Nathan. Alright, here we go. If this don't work out good, I'm gonna have to go back to page so I can show them how it's done. It's not working out the way. Yeah! The only man to stick an axe yet. It's no team middleware group. Good job, Nathan.
Put an apple on your hat.
Yeah. Put it. Hey, future son-in-law, put an apple on your head.
How much you just
Don't throw him at him just because he's a moving target. He's a little softer than the wood. That stuff don't work.
Stick all 3 of them. Get a pair of sunglasses.
Well, yes, our sunglasses.
Oh, beat the lefty? Lefty.
Oh, get him up.
Oh,
You know what they say about them left-handers?
they're not right?
You gotta do like a tennis player when you let it go. You gotta.
That was a little low.
You gotta scream when you throw it.
Gentle with the GoPro. I see you veering towards me.
Throw it a little lighter.
A little lighter?
Lighter and higher.
God, sorry. Get my GoPro out of
Oh God.
Oh! Oh, man.
Yeah, you gotta go.
More to wait, I'm throwing relay.
Do it.
Well, you're gonna do yourself.
Oh! Come on, Wayne, do it.
Oh! Oh!
Now it's away from. See, now this is for the maniac train. Come on. Step up.
All right, back, move it. How you already?
I don't know, they signed
He took me red this time, so you don't mind.
Guys, that way for wait.
Oh!
I will laugh for wait.
Find out!
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Hot Saw event. Competitors, hands on your logs, and on my count. Competitors ready. 1, 2, go! And it's Andrew O'Connell from Buffalo, New York, taking home his 3rd point for the day. Let's make some noise, ladies and gentlemen, for Andrew O'Connell.
Go, Andrew!
One red band in the middle of the log. Now, these guys cannot touch it, they cannot look at it, they cannot think about it, but pretty much anything else goes. They can splash water in each other's face, they can spit in each other's face, they can even call each other's mothers' names. Now we are currently tied 3 points over here for Logan Aldine and 3 points for Andrew O'Connell. Who thinks that Andrew O'Connell's gonna take it home today, ladies and gentlemen? Let me hear your best yo-ho!
Yo-ho!
And who thinks that Logan Aldine's gonna take it home today? Ooh, it looks like we got a few more cheers there. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our last event for today, and this is log rolling. And this is a best 2 out of 3 match. We'll get right underway. Alright, we are on that log right away, and we're already going in the water right away. Staying dry over here. Logan Aldine taking the first fall. Now, Andrew, you need this one just to stay in this race here today. Let's give some noise out there, ladies and gentlemen. Let's cheer Andrew O'Connell on. He's already behind. He needs your love. Clap as loud as you can for him. And we're back underway. There's water flying already. That log is moving. And Logan Aldine taking home the log rolling match and our competition today. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, so much for coming out. We really appreciate all of you guys and everything.
Hey, we just got high.
About as high as I'm gonna get tonight.
That's all we can do, get this high.
Okay,
Are you out of breath?
so listen.